Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see notes in Canva when presenting. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this works best using the web version of Canva, not using your Canva application, because when you present this and go to presenter view, present, now it's going to ask you to go full screen. So I'm clicked out of full screen. You don't have any notes here on the application, so we're not going to use that. So the best way is to use a web browser and presenting through there. So I'm on Google Chrome for this. So first thing what we need to do is go ahead and click on find your presentation, obviously, and then click on the present button on the top right hand corner page of the screen. Now if we go back into presenter view and then go ahead and click on present, a pop-up's going to appear. This is where the magic happens. So you need this window pop-up. So I'm going to go don't show this message again, then make this full screen. And now from here on the right hand side, we can add notes to your design or your presentation. You can also go Canva live too, but yeah, for this demonstration, you want to click onto notes and add notes to each of your designs. So basically on mobile, notes are more limited, and so you can add and view them where editing slides, but presenter view with notes is not currently supported on the application the same way as it is on a web browser using desktop.